Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, ngayon, this is the one that I bought from Stampede. So, I'm gonna make a review. Let's see if totoo talaga yung mga pinagsasabi ng lalaki. So, it's called Straight Ahead. They're sold because it says lifetime warranty. And ito yung tsura niya sa loob. So, ito pa yung hair ko na walang ano. Actually, gusto ko talagang kinecurl yung hair ko. And sabi niya, pag kinurl ko daw yung hair ko with this iron, hair straightener, it can last up to 3 days. So, tingnan natin kung totoo. Diba? So, yeah. Let's see. This hair straightener is Bionic Pro Ceramic. And sabi, static. Tapos, rapid heat up. Far infrared technology. Magaan daw siya. Tapos, dual voltage. Pwede siya sa Philippines. Pag umuwi ka, nagta-travel, ganun, iba-iba. Yeah. And marami pang iba. Search nyo lang. So, first time actually namin bumili sa Stampede ng something. So, I hope it's worth it. Ito na yung finished product, and yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys like it. Any questions or comments, don't be shy to comment down below. Kung gusto nyo pa ng mga ibang review in the future. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, see you again on my next vlog. Bye!